With a lot of emotions, a lot of passion at play. And you can see led by Captain Justice Blake. You can see the likes of Babayaya, Patrick Casiedo, Che, and Timeno. Fernando Bassi, the Nigeria international, also in your shot there. And that's the Fox starting lineup. Just one change to the squad. That's Benjamin Asari turns to the two sticks. Kevin Osetsebe, Rafael Pensa, Hamza Isari turns and leads this line. Quality player by all standard. So that's confirmation of the match officials for you. With Jacob Eduntra leading the line. Suleimana, Saliuddin, Halilu Halatsen. With fourth official being Masol Osu. Yellow away uniform. And just one change to this Kotoko squad by coach Abdul Karim Zeto. With Michael Sifa not just in the best of shape ahead of today's game, replaced by Harry Ansu, the former Brecum Chelsea man. Well, so there we go for the first 45 minutes here at the nation's Wembley, the ACCRA Sports Stadium, between Hearts of Oak and Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And it's Hearts of Oak in possession at the moment. Decides to hit it back. That's Kevin Osesibe. Just taking his time to lace it down to the left-hand side. Not the best of it, but they managed to keep it on the field. That's a lovely drive now onto the right-hand side, but looks everybody just too heavy to be kept on the turf. Well, the player is been quality player. But our standard, lovely ball there, but again, that's a textbook header. Headed wide off the mark. And
the box.
Also, just look at it.
And you can say that they are playing to their instructions or strategy.
Yes, Kwame Poku, who scored against Indiana Stars. Kwame Poku, that's a lovely touch from Emmanuel Amankwa. Obviously high. Just look at that movement again with finesse and with class. Kwame Poku just trying to whip his way through this Hearts of Oak players. Ends up going down in the process. Join somewhere down the left hand side. In team menu. We'll look for Kwame Opoku. Off track to the left hand side. Here's Fernando Bassi. Left in plenty of space, making his way into Hearts of Oak penalty area. But that's a lovely defending again from Kevin Osetsebe.
Fantastic defending. Kumasi Asante Kotoko are playing to a well-rehearsed strategy. There you can see wisdom going on the attack, but Esaibe was fantastic on that occasion.
Well, that's a world-class defending there from Kevin Osetsebe.
It's very difficult to get the ball off them.
Well, Fernando Bassi, yes, 22 years of age, but there's a bit of trouble spilling here. Mano played for So Academy last season. Has become the Porcupine Warriors' favorite shot stopper. And you can just see Hamza Isa trying to drag the ball forward. Papaya drops it. It's to be a long hit there, but looking for Kwame Opoku, couldn't pick him. Pick Emmanuel Amankwa. Fernando Bassi, the Nigeria international, by the way, still is already up.
And the defense line of ACCRA Hearts of Oak would have to be very careful, because just look at that. Within a split second, he's taking over. And a lot would debate about this, whether it's a foul or not.
What has it? There is debut against Stratruman FC. Spent 6 years at Aqua United in Nigeria. That's Fernando Bassi down a bit to find Babayaya. Looks to be up at Tamwa. Babayaya, but it's just too heavy. That's into the box. Bit of nervy moment here for Hearts of Oak. That's the touch there. It slipped off. Oh, nearly misses narrowly. We look to approach the 50th minute mark, but this was a chance. Slickly touched. But just misses the post by inches from Sakarauda. But look at that for a touch from Kwame Opoku. And has Justice Blake whip it out. And he'll be looking for his colleague up front. Looks to be Abetamwa, who managed to keep it on the field. It's Abetamwa trusting. And Benjamin Asari with a real save to keep Asante intact in this game. But the pressure mounts again and it's lifted wide. And it's ACCRA finally.
Secondly, ACCRA Asante conceded the ball to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Look at the cross. Just look at the cross. Benjamin Asare was fantastic on this occasion.
That's a very quality whip into Asante box. But it takes the man who knows how to do it well, Benjamin Asare, to stop it. Strike be your maximum.
Asante have resorted to.
And you can see the second vice president of CAF, who also doubles as the president of the Ghana Football Association, watching closely from the VIP stand there. And here's the Minister for Sports and Recreation, Honorable Brondabit Kotoko here. There's Patrick Casiedo. And that onslaught breaks down. And Asante picks it up. This could be it. This is it. It stays even after 90 minutes of exciting stuff from the 40,000 capacity ACCRA Sports Stadium. What a game we've seen. Kotoko absolutely dominant in terms of possession.